Hello, this is Manny with Softimagine Motion Builder support here at Autodesk. Client, or actually someone sent this on the mailing list. He wants the deeper parts to be in red, like as if the lava rock is glowing. So let's go ahead and do that here. First, I'm going to create a sphere and just add a lot of sub D here. Something like that. And basically I want to just possibly with a push deform with a weight map basically push some edges deeper and also use the same weight map to assign a different color there. Perhaps a color that'll bounce around and emit that really bright red light. So let's go ahead and draw that weight map influence. Weight map. And with W, R is the shortcut for the range. Go ahead and draw. Okay, I can smooth that out if I want with a control here. Okay, something like that. Make some parts really bright here. Okay, finally, so that gives me a weight map, and now the weight map should be selected. If I click F here, F is for frame. Okay, it is selected, deform, and let's push accordingly, according to the weight map, and not the object's normals. Good. So that's what this gives, and let's just render that with perhaps a material fong. So that gives this. I can also add a sub D in there if I want. That's good. So now let's open the render tree, which is a 7 shortcut. I will go ahead and let me just make the actual rock darker. Something like that. And finally, yeah, so let's actually use the same weight map to cut out another very bright red material. So I want to mix two materials right there. I know I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna use the mixer. Something like Mix2colors would be good. And I want to mix the fong. So let's put that in the base. Don't need these connections. And let's get a constant here. Put that into surface. So so let's assign a really red color constant to this constant, and then call the color map lookup node, and essentially I want to cut color 1 with weight 1, right? So some people have a hard time understanding how this works. It's really easy once you understand how the color and weight works together. So base is what will be applied on the whole object, and on top of that will be color 1, and I can cut out accordingly. So I'm going to tell, let's hook this up first. Let's just put it like this so it's easier to understand. So I'm going to be cutting out my constant with my color map lookup, and which map? This one here. And let's just test it out. That should be it. Good. Finally, the rays are not bouncing off the actual rock. So let's go ahead and enable the final gathering here. Okay, that's better. And what's pretty interesting about this is that if I get another object just as a test, I should see some red on this object, and I do. Don't know if you can see that, but that tells me that it's working.